Greetings, Solid Rock family. You're now tuning in to Solid Rock Entertainment with your host on the Central Coast. Now, this one is a humorous one. You know, so we usually do, you know, we talk about music and entertainment and all of that stuff. But this one is a little jovial one, right? So, I could not be the host on the Central Coast and not bring this one to you. So, in the Central Coast or in Central Florida here, recently, we have our own Jamaican here that decided that to light a raccoon on fire, right? Now, me personally, who is familiar with Florida and stuff like that, I know that the raccoon them will give a hell down here. So, but my virgin say, Mr. Man say him not have it no more, because the raccoon and nyam off him mango them. So here what? This now is not the exact situation or the exact person, but we'll make light of the situation. And major hype, big up yourself. You understand? You even make it more. Check it out, people. Solid Rock tuning out. Like I said, this one is a little fun one. All a vibe. Yeah.
There's a man in Central Florida accused of setting a raccoon on fire.
Yeah, he tried to explain himself as he walked out of jail. Take a listen to this.
How much year me there fire and I never get locked up. All of a sudden, me kill one little raccoon. All of a sudden, everybody a ball for raccoon. You understand? I did plan for him, you know. Lucky never see him out the road, because I did plan for him when he never come on road. You understand? So I just set a trap for him. So how did you kill him? I burn him up.
Just a raccoon, says Ezra James, who after posting his $2,000 bond describes planning to kill the animal for eating his mangoes. And he says to prevent it from biting him and giving him rabies.
This pussy will I eat my mango them. Him never grown a mango yet. Eh? Him know how mango seed by. Eh?
James says he set the raccoon on fire after catching it with a metal trap in his front yard.
Right now, me just want to make sure Trump now deport me for the raccoon, you know. That me I worry about right now. I don't care about nothing else. Yo, it's right. You're not ready yet, man. My soul come there.
I would never have believed he would have done that.
We still falter, but the love between